Police seized 4 homemade shotguns and arrested a 67-year-old man for making and selling the weapons on Thursday. 2 of his male buyers were also arrested after the suspect led police to their homes.
Telah berjaya membuat rampasan senjata api yang dibuat oleh orang awam pada 8 hari bulan 2015.
Yan Police Chief DSP Muhammad Halim Yatim believed that the suspect is a former Rela member, made 10 shotguns over the last 2 years.
Dari siasatan awal kita, dia telah menghasilkan berapa lagi senjata api, bukan hanya 4 ni lah. Dia dah hasilkan ada beberapa lagi senjata api yang telah dijual kepada pembeli, dan kita sedang siasat.
DSP Muhammad Halim says the suspect claims to have made the shotguns for villagers to kill wildlife such as monkeys, squirrels that were destroying the crops in their plantations.
Kita harap pihak JKK di kampung dan sebagainya yang dapat mengesan adanya berlaku senjata api dijual secara haram, dibuat dan digunakan oleh masyarakat setempat di bawah tanggungjawab JKK, hendaklah menyarukan kepada kita dan jangan sorokkan daripada kita.
The suspect has been remanded and being investigated.